Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Percentage. Chapter 11, question number 16. Here, the sums is, in an exam, 85% secured A plus in Bengali, 70% in maths, and both 65%, and the total number of the student 120. Clear? So here we observe that this is the portion of Bengali and maths. Here 65% both scored A plus. So here it is 65, this region. Total region 85. So rest of the region 85 minus 65%, that means 20%. The 20% student got only A plus in Bengali. Clear? In maths there are 70% students. Here I am writing wrong. Here 70%. So only maths. Clear? So the answer will be only Bengali. Not here. Only Bengali. Only Bengali 20%. Only maths 5%. Clear? Both 65%. So the total student 120. So out of 120 into 20 by 100, that means number of heads those who are getting A plus only in Bengali. Only in Bengali 20%. Clear? Both, sorry, only in maths total number. Clear? Both secured A plus 65%, that means 120 into 65 by 100. Okay. (78 students secured A plus both. So total secured A plus 20 5 and 65. The total number will be 90. Total number 90. 90%. So, rest 20%, sorry, 100 minus 90, that means rate 10% student did not get A plus. Okay. So, 10% of 120, 10% of 120 be 120 into 10 by, that means 12 student. So, here this sum is very, very important. Now, 80%, 85%, sorry, here 70% and here 65%. This region is Bengali, this region maths and this region is both. With the help of this diagram, you would have to complete this sum. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.